Hello? Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? I need water. I need water, mate. Hello? My gosh, no people, mate. They said if you want to be strong, learn to walk alone. And this is the 4th month that I'm staying alone. I wonder how strong if I can get. I am going to wash my face right here. And I walk like several miles without drinking water. Welcome back to another vlog. I am starting this vlog in front of my school, mate. I'm just staring at my school. Sad thing is though, nothing changed for the 20 whatever the years, mate. And it still remains the same. Unfortunate thing though. And yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So I made it. Alright guys, so I made it to my first destination. TourRadar bridge. Ended up taking a few photos of that one. I can see the bridge down there. Is quite sunny day, beautiful day, mate. Take a look at that bridge behind me. When you look at the railway track is a symbol of commitment, dedication, hard work and determination. Okay, so this is the mountain that I'm going to climb. Is that TourRadar State? And yeah, I think it's gonna take a long hours to hike. I'm not sure how much is the distance. I'm not sure anything, mate. But I'm walking. Yeah, gotta walk. Let's go down and see on top of the mountain. Okay, so one of the mistakes I did, I didn't take a water bottle though. I feel very thirsty, so I'm sweating profusely. But guess what? Put myself in a very uncomfortable situation. I don't need water. Later on, I'll find it. Kind of a survival game, mate. Yeah, this is kind of a survival game, alright? My God, very tired as well. As I'm walking here, what I can see is plenty of cloud. Plenty of clouds are covering the sky and the mountain. Beautiful scenery, mate. But quite windy as well. I don't know if it's going to rain in the evening. I haven't prepared myself for the rain. But if the rain comes, what, mate? What am I going to do? I'll hide behind the bush. I have no idea. Whatever happened, you have to be ready. Sort of unexpected situations. So I can see cloud along with the mountain, so I'm gonna take that picture and I'll show it to you. Hold on a second, yeah? If I live my life again, I'll swim in more rivers, watch the sunset and stars. I'll smell the roses and I'll enjoy the little things, said the wise man. Okay, so guess what? I live right over there in that mountain, mate. See that mountain right over there? So when I come here in the opposite mountain and see, I can hear why these wild pigs are coming in the middle of the night, mate. Take a look at that mountain. Let me show you. Pigs are incredibly dangerous, and they can be seen in this mountain. But they are thriving because they don't have any predators. So no wonder why wild pigs are approaching in the middle of the night, and I won't be surprised if there's a bloody lion over there, top of the mountain, mate. That is a bit scary, so yeah, keep walking. When I continue to walk, I blame myself for not taking water bottle. Sometimes we have that hunting voice and we tend to ignore that alarm. So I can see somebody's approaching me. I want to ask her where this road is heading. I haven't encountered any people. I haven't encountered anyone though. So this is the first lady that I'm going to see. I'm going to ask her. I don't know if she understands my language, but here she is. මේ පාර කොහෙටද වැටෙන්නේ? කොහෙටද? මේවල ඉන්න.
දිගටම යන්න ඕනේ.
දිගටම යන්න ඕන.
ඔව්.
කොච්චර දුරද?
කොහෙන්ද ආවේ?
නිකන් ඇවිදගෙන යනවා.
ඈ?
නිකන් යනවා.
දිගමඩ මේ ආලේට කොහෙලට?
කොවිලට?
කොහෙලට මිනිස්සු යනවා වගේ ඉන්නවා. ඒක උඩ යන්න ඕනේ.
Okay. Thank you. So I asked the direction, but I don't know the place that he mentioned. But guess what? She's very approachable, very kind lady. Ended up taking a photo as well. So very nice person though. She seems very kind. Very kind lady. So this road seems a little scary right now, getting a little narrow. There is no proper infrastructure here in these mountains. Take a look at this, mate. Just a soil road, no carpet whatsoever. Alright, keep walking until I find a lake. But I can take a bath down there, mate. Are you sure about that? Yeah, I'm gonna take a bath if I find a lake. So let's see, because I feel really hot. Alright, keep walking then. Thirsty as well, so I have to buy a water bottle as well. Keep walking, mate. Well. Well, apparently my dream came true. I found a bloody beautiful lake. But guess what? I'm scared to jump, mate. The water isn't that much clean. I'm in front of the lake there. Water isn't that much clean. And I asked a few people, they say people aren't taking bath here. I don't know if there's a crocodile or some sort of hidden danger here, but guess what? I'm afraid, mate. I changed my mind though. Literally, I changed my mind, yeah. Okay, so wash your face and keep walking. Let me take the footage of the lake so you guys can see. It is beautiful, mate. Take a look at this. Okay, so there's a place to wash my face, but it's not a lake, mate. It is a small tap right here. I don't know if this water is good enough to drink. I feel really thirsty, and I am going to wash my face right here. And I walk like a several miles without drinking water. I think I'm gonna stop here. No more walking. So I gotta go back all the way in it, mate. So I should wait until the sun goes down. I should walk a little bit further down the road and see what we got down there. So I feel fresh after washing my face though. Oh my gosh. This is the end, I suppose. No more walking, mate. No more. The road ends here. Okay, let's go back. So as I'm taking this hike with me, I started literally missing my
girlfriend very badly.
And I wish if she's with me, this walk would have been very beautiful. Even though I'm enjoying myself alone, solo walk, but I don't know. I started missing. Yeah, hope we can catch up later on. Yeah, that's the way it goes, mate.
Hi, I miss you.
Okay, so guess what? I found a beautiful shortcut though. I didn't have to walk all the way from that bloody road, so I found a railway track after walking that shortcut. Alright guys, so I just want to say thank you very much for watching and staying with me. Hit the subscribe button if you want more videos, and please like this video and share with somebody, and I'm gonna talk to you soon. Take care guys, and bless ya. Thank you. So my only fear is snakes though. I hope I'm not gonna see bloody snakes as I'm walking on the railway track. So take care guys, bye.